Hi, I'm Liz from the Groegg company and I'd like to show you the Groegg 2. The Groegg is a must-have for your baby's nursery. Over 1.3 million have been sold all over the world and many parents rely on it to help them keep their baby comfy and safe. We recently gave the Groegg a new look and the Groegg 2 is the latest version. As well as looking great, has some fab new added features. The Groegg 2 is a colour-changing digital room thermometer. On the side of the box you can see a temperature gauge which shows you the ideal room temperature for a baby. The Groegg 2 is recommended by the Lullaby Trust, the UK's leading safer sleep charity. An increase in room temperature is associated with an increased risk of sudden infant death syndrome. The Groegg 2 makes it super easy to tell if baby's room is an appropriate temperature at a glance. A comfortable baby will sleep longer and more restfully. The product itself is egg-shaped, has a soft touch silicone dome, and looks great on a bedside table or shelf. It runs via mains power and comes with a power lead. When plugged in, the Groegg 2 changes colour depending on the temperature of the room. This means that you can easily tell at a glance whether you need to adjust baby's bedding and clothing to ensure they're a safe and comfortable temperature. On the front of the Groegg 2 is a digital display which shows the temperature. The Groegg 2 is packed with highly sensitive technology that reads the ambient temperature of the room and is accurate to 1 degree, which is much more sensitive than many other thermometers on the market. Following feedback from parents, we've added an adjustable nightlight to the Groegg 2. By clicking this button on the bottom, you can adjust the brightness of it and set it at whatever brightness best suits your needs. No more fumbling around in the dark to feed or change baby. The Groegg 2 is a nursery essential, so when you're choosing a thermometer for your baby's room, make sure you put the Groegg 2 on your shopping list.